Right, well, P4, June 2024, question 3, implicit differentiation question. I've got to find the equation of the normal. At that point, I've got x and y's all over the place in my equation. A little bit about the differentiation first. When we differentiate x cubed, of course, we get 3x squared, stick the 3 in front and take 1 off the power. Same with the bracket cubed. 3 goes in front, I take 1 away from the power, but I need to multiply by that bracket differentiated, multiply by 2x, because I'm not differentiating in terms of x anymore, I'm just sort of differentiating in terms of that bracket. But that's how we differentiate in terms of x. We pretend it's an x and then multiply by the thing that isn't the x differentiated. Anything cubed differentiated, we do 3 lots of the anything squared, multiply by that anything differentiated. And it's the same with if it's y's. If I differentiate y cubed, my anything is y now, so it's 3 lots of the y squared multiplied by the dy by dx. So I sort of pretend it's an x and then multiply by dy by dx. So with this equation, I start with the 8x cubed, that's all right, 24x squared. Then I've got 3y squared, so it's going to be 6y multiplied by dy by dx if I'm differentiating in terms of x. And then I've got a product there, I've got 2x multiplied by y. So I differentiate the 2x and get 2, leave the y alone. And then I do 2x multiplied by the y differentiated, which is just dy by dx. And then the 9 just goes to 0, it's a constant. I could rearrange it then and make it say dy by dx equals, but I've given the point that it goes through, so I'm just subbing the 2 and the 5 for the x and the y, and get that and work out what dy by dx is. I'll take the dy by dx terms over the right hand side. I'll have 96 plus 10 on the left, and then 30 dy by dx minus 4 dy by dx. So I get this, and that tells me that the dy by dx is 53 over 13. In the olden days, when I took my A-levels, we wouldn't get 53 over 13, but they hate you these days. They give you disgusting fractions to work with. I'd have looked at that all those years ago and thought, oh, I must have done something wrong here, but they hate you these days. Anyway, so it wants the normal though, so I'll use my y minus y1. The m's the negative reciprocal, of course, which is minus 13 over 53. And then x minus the x value gives me the equation of the line, and it wants it in that form, the ax plus by plus c equals 0 form. So I'll multiply the y minus 5 by 15, multiply that bracket by minus 13, and take it all over the left-hand side.